Hello guys, and welcome to the next update. And this update is quite a few changes. I know it's been quite a while since the last update, and that's just mainly because I've been too lazy to record it. But yeah, I would have, yeah, ignore this crappy boot screen. But yeah, this is this is the crappy main menu until retexturing is redone. So basically how this works is you enter in the world name. If you put in nothing, it'll just be the default world. So but you can name it whatever. So world. So basically this will make a folder named world inside the game folder, and it'll have all sorts of cool stuff. Alright, so one of the first things that was fixed, or one of the things that was, it wasn't the hardest thing to fix, definitely, but it was kind of, I'm just happy it's fixed. You'll notice there's 0 lines showing up anywhere. It was a Unity configuration thing that I had to deal with, but yeah. Right now there is only one biome type, but yeah, so in order to show everything I've added, I think I'm just going to do basically a quick let's play. So I'm going to chop down this quad tree, I guess. Yeah, I might need to work on the trees a little bit so they don't spawn this close together. Alright, so if you put a log in here, you can get 8 planks. It'll drop them on the ground if you click them real quick. I fixed a lot of bugs with the items glitching around and stuff. If you put a piece of leaves in there, you can get 1 plank, so at least you have a use when you get rid of all these annoying leaves. But I'm going to need some more logs. So yeah, I think the next priority for this game, if the guy will reply, he's paid for the game, but he's not replying. It's kind of annoying, but what are you doing? What are you gonna do? But I think I've almost got enough wood here. I'm also gonna need some iron to make a uni-axe, which is just universal axe, which means it cuts everything faster. Yeah, this black, really dark stone is actually caves. That's not a block, it's caves. So I'm glad to see that is working. Basically, when you get to a certain deepness, it starts spawning these in instead of nothing. But I think I've got enough iron now. I'm trying to decide whether I should how long I should keep this weird splitting system, but you can right click and split right now. So I think there is one dupe bug, but it takes forever and there's nothing valuable in this game yet, so it's not worth it. I guess I should show you how to make these. Make sure they don't fall out of the world when they spawn. Alright, so that's enough of those. These are jumping platforms. You can turn them into doors simply by putting them back in the middle. I haven't made it so that you can just place them anywhere, so it's kind of specific with the crafting, but you can put these in here to rotate them basically. But I'm going to use them to jump out of here. As you can see, you just click the jump button and you can jump up. Alright, so I'm going to build a basic house now, and we're going to see how this looks. You can see that I am going to put more areas here for you to put blocks so that you can scroll through them or use the number keys or whatever. I just haven't gotten to it yet, so yeah, that'll be in here soon. I'm just going to make a real that's where the door goes. I don't know why I did that. Really basic house. There we go. Let's get some doors. That's 4 doors. Alright, so... yeah, the building in this game is a lot easier, I think. I'm not sure if I'm going to make it so you have to dig up the blocks, because every now and then you'll place a block on something important, and it kind of sucks. But maybe I should move these doors down. So, I don't know, leave a comment saying whether you think I should make it so that you have to dig up the block and then place a block, or if you should just be able to place the block over whatever block is currently there, or some sort of thing that makes it, like if it's like grass or dirt or something, you can place it over it, but like anything like logs and stuff, it won't do it, or something like that. You know, just leave a comment at what you think it should be. I am going to craft a uni axe because I'm getting annoyed of how long this is taking to dig. So this is how you craft a axe right now. You will have to smelt the iron later, but the furnaces are not set up, so as you can see, it is a lot faster. One thing I did notice when people were playing the game is that they couldn't figure out how to break blocks, which is because I didn't add any digging animation. I think that'll be the next thing I add, because that seemed to confuse a lot of people. I'm gonna make it decorative. Yeah, sorry if I'm boring you to death. I think I'll speed this up, hopefully. Alright, I'm running out of wood already, aren't I? I could open cheat engine and just cheat in some wood, but I won't. Yeah, that's another thing I'm gonna fix later, is make it so cheat engine doesn't instantly give you shit. At least make it slightly harder. Yeah, so as you can see, the house is sort of see-through, and you know, it's not very nice. So what you can do for that is you can put planks in here, and you can craft some of these wall blocks. I'm probably going to need a few more. And now you can see it. I have wall blocks, and these you can walk through and not worry about it. Yeah, so I'm going to put a floor. Yeah, I think I need to modify these textures because you can't really tell where the blocks are. Let's go ahead and craft a chest really quick. The chest is pretty easy to make. You just need 1 iron and a bit of wood. Yeah, the texture is really ugly, but I'm working on Jan's working on the new texturing of the game right now, and I'm going to tell you this much, that it's going to look a lot better. So, how you use the chest is when you place it, you walk so that you're standing inside the chest, and then you click E, and you'll have this window, and you can put crap in it, and it will save. If you don't want to save the world, basically, if you use a chest, it saves the entire world every time you use the chest to prevent duping. So keep that in mind if you don't want to save. So I am running out of wood, so I'm gonna go cut down some trees. I think something I'm gonna add is make these trees possibly fall down, because the leaves are really hard to get to, and I really hate having floating leaves and stuff. It's really ugly. But that's probably going to be a bit far away. And of course, I need to find out what this guy is doing because he's not responding. So, all right. Performance in this game is extremely well. When I turn off anti-aliasing, I got 1,700 FPS and a maximum of 2,000 FPS, average of 1,500. So, yeah, you can pretty much run this on any computer on the planet that's not from any computer that you'd be seeing this video on. Definitely, you could run this on the Pi very easily. You could run this on practically anything you can think of. So, yeah, this is going to be a very compatible game. But I am going to make some stairs now. The stair system is a bit annoying right now, but it works. I think I'll add some sort of block rotating thing later. But right now, all you have to do to rotate them is put them in here and do that, and then you'll get them rotated to the other direction. So I am going to go ahead and place these like so. Bam. It looks decent. And yeah, this is my basic house now. Yeah, I think that shows everything in this update. The next update, I'm going to basically be showing off how much better the game looks, so be excited for that, I guess. Hope I didn't bore you to death with this video, but yeah, leave some comments with suggestions and stuff, you know, that type of thing. And I will see you guys in the next video.